ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता। अर्जुन उवाच ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण सत्त्वमहो रजस्तमः।
Arjuna said, those endowed with faith who worship gods and others, disregarding the injunctions of the scriptures, where do they stand, Krishna? In sattva, rajas or tamas?
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Trivida bhavati shraddha dehinam sa svabhavaja sattviki rajasi chaiva tamasi cheti tam shrunu.
Shri Bhagavan said that untutored innate faith of men is of three kinds: sattvika, rajasika and tamasika. Hear it from me.
Sattvanurupa sarvasya shraddha bhavati bharata shraddhamayoyam purushaha yo yat shraddha sa eva saha.
The faith of all men conforms to their mental disposition, Arjuna. Faith constitutes a man, whatever the nature of his faith. Verily he is that.
Yajante sattvika devan yaksharaksham rajasaha pretan bhutaganaschanye yajante tamasa janaha.
Men of sattvika disposition worship gods. Those of rajasika temperament worship demigods, the demons, while others who are of tamasika disposition worship the spirits of the dead and ghosts.
Aharasthvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyaha yajnastapastatha dhanam tesham bhedamimam shrunu.
Food also, which is agreeable to different men according to their innate disposition, is of three kinds. And likewise, sacrifice, penance and charity too are of three kinds each. Here their distinction as follows.
Ayus sattva balarogya sukha pritir vivardhana rasya snigdha stira hrutya ahara sattvika priyaha.
Foods which promote longevity, intelligence, vigor, health, happiness and cheerfulness, and which are juicy, succulent, substantial and naturally agreeable are liked by men of sattvika nature.
Khatvam lalavanathyushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasyeshta dukkha shokamaya pradaha.
Foods which are bitter, sour, salty, over-hot, pungent, dry and burning, and which cause suffering, grief and sickness are dear to the rajasika.
Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitam chayat uchishtam chamedyam bhojanam tamasapriyam.
Food which is ill-cooked or not fully ripe, insipid, putrid, stale and polluted, and which is impure too, is dear to men of tamasika disposition.
Afala kankshibir yajnaha vidhi drushto yayijyate yashtavyam eveti manaha samadhaya sa sattvikaha.
The sacrifice which is offered as ordained by scriptural injunctions by men who expect no return and who believe that such sacrifices must be performed is sattvika in character.
Abhisandhayatu palam dhambhatamapi chaiva yat yijyate bharata shreshta tam yajñam vitti rajasam.
That sacrifice which is offered for mere show or even with an eye to its fruit, know it to be Rajasika, Arjuna.
विधिहीनमसृष्टान्नं मन्त्रहीनमदक्षिणं श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते.
A sacrifice which is not in conformity with scriptural injunctions, in which no food is offered and no sacrificial fees are paid, which is without secret chant or hymns and devoid of faith, is said to be tamasika.
देवद्विज गुरुप्राज्ञः पूजनं शौचमार्जवं ब्रह्मचर्यम् अहिंसा च शारीरं तप उच्यते.
Worship of gods, the Brahmanas, one's elders and great souls, purity, straightforwardness, continence and non-violence. This is called penance of the body.
अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते.
Words which cause no annoyance to others and are truthful, agreeable and beneficial, as well as the study of the Vedas and other Shastras, and the practice of chanting of the divine name. This is known as penance of speech.
मनप्रसाद सौम्यत्वं मौनमात्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिरित्येत तपो मानसमुच्यते.
Cheerfulness of mind, placidity, habit of contemplation on God, control of the mind and perfect purity of inner feelings. All this is called austerity of the mind.
श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अपलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते.
This threefold penance, performed with supreme faith by yogis expecting no return, is called sattvika.
सत्कारमानपूजार्थं तपोदम्भेन चैव यत् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तं राजसं चलमध्रुवम्.
The austerity which is performed for the sake of renown, honor or adoration, as well as for any other selfish gain, either in all sincerity or by way of ostentation, and yields an uncertain and momentary fruit, has been spoken of here as Rajasika.
मूढग्राहेणात्मनो यत् पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
Penance which is resorted to out of foolish notion and is accompanied by self-mortification or is intended to harm others, such penance has been declared as tamasika.
दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयतेनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed with a sense of duty on one from whom no return is expected at appropriate time and place and to a deserving person, that gift has been declared as sattvika.
यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसंस्मृतम्.
A gift which is bestowed in a grudging spirit and with the object of getting a service in return or in the hope of obtaining a reward is called Rajasika.
आदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते असत्कृतमवज्ञातं तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्.
A gift which is made without good grace and in a disdainful spirit out of time and place and to undeserving persons is said to be tamasika.
सद्भावे साधुभावे च सदित्येतत् प्रयुज्यते प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्चप्तपार्थयुज्यते.
The name of God, Sat, is used in the sense of reality and goodness. And the word Sat is also used in the sense of a praiseworthy, auspicious action, Arjuna.
यज्ञो तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदिति चोच्यते कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते.
And steadfastness is sacrifice. Austerity and charity is likewise spoken of as Sat. And action for the sake of God is verily termed as Sat.
अश्रद्धया हृतं दत्तं तपस्तप्तं कृतं च यत् असदित्युच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रेत्य नो इह.
An oblation which is offered, a gift given, an austerity practiced, and whatever good deed is performed, if it is without faith, it is termed as naught, that is asat. Therefore, it is of no avail here or hereafter.